Hi, we're going to have a quick toolbox tour. I have a Snap-on KRL 4222. It's a good box, 13 drawers, 56 inches wide, or 13 or something, I don't know. We'll go through them as I count them. First, we're going to go through the top. A pair of crappy mechanics gloves I need to replace. Miscellaneous stuff. Little micro torch for uh, butt connectors. They're shrink wrappable. Miscellaneous solvents, cleaners, all that crap. More stuff. Little table for my phone, surge bar, expensive coffee cup, not really, but yeah, coffee cup. Charger for my Blue Point, clipboard, 3/8 drill, AirCal 11 or 1000 TH, 3/8 drive cordless Blue Point impact gun, air ratchet. This is a Mac, or no, it isn't a Mac. That's just a 1/4 inch breaker bar. Don't know why I have it. 1/4 inch adapter driver, and has the 1/4 inch drive hex right there I use for an extension. Mac 1/4 inch drive ratchet, gear wrench, flex head ratchet, Snap-on straight ratchet, 3/8 drive extensions, 1/2 inch breaker bar, Snap-on lockable flex head, 3/4 inch breaker bar, 3/4 inch ratchet. I think it's a 2-inch extension, 1/2 inch drive extension, more 1/4 inch quick stuff, a little bit of 1/4 inch drive sockets, more 1/4 inch drive sockets, 3/8 swivel, crappy set of Stanley Allen keys, 3/8 drive metric and standard. I guess you'd call them mid-length sockets. 1/2 inch drive, the rainbows. The rainbow set is Pittsburgh Pro. 1/2 inch drive extensions. They're 1/2 inch drive in the back here. They're shallows. Macco set of 1/2 inch drive impact metric impacts. Bit set for 3/8 drill. A good set of torque spits. 1/2 inch drive torque wrench. Old 1/2 inch drive torque wrench. That's for cab overs. Standard set of ratchet wrenches. Stanley set of combination wrenches. Goes from 1/4 up to 7/8 to 15/16 is the Ace Professional Cobalt 12-inch adjustable wrench. Miscellaneous open-end wrenches. These right here are metric Evercraft combination wrenches. These, I'm not sure, I found them. A couple of extra metric wrenches, metric double-ended wrenches, some metric stubbies, and we don't use very much metric around here. My junk drawer, everything gets thrown in it. Little book, 3-inch cutoff wheels, wrenches for my cutoff wheels. Alrighty. Ball peen, Debla ball peen, cross peen, another here underneath the air hammers, another normal ball peen hammer, 48-ounce ball lead shot filled hammer, rubber mallet, safety glasses, earplugs, office supplies, Snap-on $400 air hammer that I love to fucking death. Snap-on screwdrivers. I broke one of the tips earlier today. Took that for warranty. Bit drivers, Stanley stubbies, cheap pick set. Some miscellaneous punches, files, and more punches. This is a driver for bushings on our brakes on 53-foot 48 trailers. Miscellaneous punches for my air hammer. Snap-on pry bars. I shouldn't have to tell everybody what these are. Hose cutters, bolt cutters, ratcheting crimpers, strippers, randomized stuff, caliper wire brushes. This is for setting your parking brakes. Air wands, air chucks, tire pressure gauge, tire inflator. This is for airbags on tractor trailers when they blow. Put one quick connect in there. Quick connect there bypasses it. This is a pop rivet gun, scrapers, brake gauge, tip cleaners for acetylene, torch, ladies' foots or ladies' slippers, depending on where you're from. These are actually not real. They're just a gimmick or a display. Glad hands, leaves them on the trailers. 4.3-inch cutoff wheel, snap-on air grinder or cutoff wheel. It has a carbide tip in it. They're very expensive. A junk one. It works. It's very good. Filter wrench, some old pipe wrenches, electrical multimeter. That's a clamp multimeter. I ain't sure what that is yet. 7-prong pigtail tester. Test light. All these are just jumper wires and whatnot. Alright, junky drawers. Tailpipe cutter. I use empty cans of chew or empty chew cans to put stuff in. Battery chargers. Cajun bolts. ABS line. More Pittsburgh socket guns. Some extra lights. Grease gun, first aid kit. Square drill bits. AC. Drill bits. AC. Randomness drawer everybody got. Extra hat, shop rags, coveralls, extra coffee cup in case I forget mine. Funnel, extra toolbox, pens, some Lysol and gets nasty. Tool catalog. When you guys replace or when we get new engines in to replace, they come with these little covers on all the main plumbing areas. I save them. They're really useful for blocking holes that you can't have dripping all over the place. Scotch-Brite pads way down here. My little stool. Creepers in the other bay. Remember, I hope that you guys enjoy this. Rate, comment, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do. Oh, wall helmet. Miscellaneous box. There's about 52 pounds of chain in that little toolbox down there. Some dirty coveralls. You guys get the drift. If you guys can, please be careful for truck drivers and tow truck operators and everything. We have a hard enough life as it is. The truck drivers, you know, you cut them off. They really don't have a lot of blind spots. In fact, I might make a video one day about the blind spots in tractor trailers. I hope you enjoy it. Let's please be cautious, everybody on the road. Thank you. Have a good day.